How to check profiles you visited on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check profiles you visited on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you can do to check your profile visits is by going to your Insta first and going to the search bar. After you're on the search bar, you should be able to see the recent searches that you've done. Let me go back here and open that up again. So it's not showing for now, but when you search for something on your Instagram like this, you can check out the profile and stuff. And if you go back, you can see that it just stays there as recent. So if you tap on see all, you should be able to see all of your recent searches. And after the searches, you'll basically have visited your profile. So that means that you can check your profiles you visited on Instagram from your recent search. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is we can just go to your settings and activity and go to your activity. And from here, you can simply go to your likes. And from the likes, you should be able to see which posts you've liked and which, type of content you're watching and if you visited that page or not. So you can simply go to any of the posts here and you can see if you visited that very person's profile or not. And yeah, that's the only way you can do so. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.